In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and publish custom designed hoodies using Canva and Printify. First, let's jump over to Canva. If you haven't done so already, log into your Canva account. Once you're in, it's time to unleash your creativity and start designing. Choose a layout or start from scratch to create a design that you feel embodies your style or message. Canva offers a plethora of tools and templates to help you craft that perfect design, whether it's vibrant colors or minimalist tones, whatever suits your vision. Once your design is ready, let's move up to the top right corner and click the Share option. You will see a few options here, and what you want to do is click on the download icon. It will open a small window with different file types you can save your design as. Make sure you adjust the size to meet the standards for Printify. If unsure, a higher resolution is generally better as it ensures clarity when printed. And now, don't forget this step. Check the box that says Transparent Background. This is crucial for your design to blend seamlessly onto the clothing. With all that set, click Download. Your design will now be available on your device. Now let's switch over to Printify. On the dashboard, find the catalog located on the left-hand side and give it a click. You'll be greeted by a collection of product categories to choose from. For today's video, we're focusing on men's clothing. Scroll down a bit more and click Hoodies. This will give you various hoodie options to choose from. Once you've decided which hoodie fits your brand, click on it and you'll see an option that says Start Designing. Here's the fun part. You will click Upload to bring your Canva creation to life on the hoodie. Select My Device and go ahead and upload the design you just downloaded. Once uploaded, you'll see it appear on the hoodie mockup. Adjust the size as you see fit and reposition it so that it looks just right. When you're satisfied with how it looks, navigate to Select Variants. This allows you to choose any color and size combinations you want to offer your customers. Be sure to save your product once you're happy with the variations. You'll then see an option to select your preferred mockups. These will be the photos displayed in your store showcasing your hoodie design. After making your choices, click on Save Selection. Now, you're almost there. It's crucial to check all the details, including the shipping info. Navigate through these carefully to ensure everything is tailored to your preference. So, finally, hit that Publish button and give it a moment. Your masterpiece is being prepped for launch. And there you have it, a custom-designed hoodie ready for the world to see. Remember, creativity is your only limit. Happy designing!